welcome back. I'm so glad that you are here. Today we're going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing, so let's make up. Alright, so this month I got my Boxycharm a little bit earlier than I usually do. I usually get my Boxycharm like at the, towards the very middle of the month, like the end of the second week, the beginning of the third week. So I was excited to get it a little bit earlier because I feel that every time I get my Boxycharm, my views on those videos are not very good. I think because I get them, I get the Boxycharm later during the month and all the spoilers are out and everybody has done a review on it and whatever. So I don't know, but this month I didn't like the Boxycharm very much. I usually love it, but this month I think is no. So let's get into it. The theme for this month, and if you don't know what Boxycharm is a makeup subscription. It's $21 a month. You can do 3 months, 6 months, or a year, and you get 5 to 6 full size or deluxe size. Usually when they have 6 products, they have 1 deluxe and the other 5 are full size. High-end, usually products in the Boxycharm, and it is a really good way to build your makeup collection if you're a beginner, or it's a really good way to gift some of the things, to try things on yourself that you otherwise might not try because you just feel that they're too expensive or they might not look good on you, so you don't want to try them. So Boxycharm is a good way to do that. And this is a very rare month because I didn't like this one specifically, but I think it's the first time in I think 2 years that I've gotten Boxycharm that I don't like a Boxycharm as much. And it's not that I hate it, but I don't like it as much as the other ones. So it is a really, really good subscription. I think it's the best one out there. And every month they have a theme. So this month is Live at the Party, or no, Live of the Party. Live of the Party. So it has this insert, and it has, the descriptions of the products that you get, the prices, and where to get them, and all that good stuff. And in the back, they usually have a coupon for the brands that they have inside the box. So this month we have a Smashbox item, so you have a 20% off your next order on Smashbox.com, and also we have a Laura Lee Los Angeles product in the Boxycharm, so you get a 25% off on your next purchase from Laura Lee. Is it? Yeah, from Laura Lee Los Angeles.com. So these are good coupons that you can use. Okay, so let's get started. The first item that I see here that I got, I opened it because I usually like seeing what I got so that I have an idea. So this is the House of Lashes, and it says at length and let me see, add length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes, cruelty-free, high quality, and long-lasting. These retail from $9 to $12 depending on the style that you get. I believe these ones are called Boudoir Light on the back, and they look like this. They are very pretty. I don't wear eyelashes unless it's a really special occasion, like for our anniversary, which is in December. We usually go to a really fancy restaurant here in the area, and I wear lashes because I do dramatic makeup. So I think I'm going to be enjoying these during the holidays maybe, but I don't wear eyelashes that much. So this product I liked. I really did. Okay, next thing is we got this. This is a cuticle oil. It is from NCLA, and it is NCLA Los Angeles Treatments So Rich Vitamin Infused Cuticle Oil. And I get my nails professionally done at a salon, and I think I'm going to be giving this to my nail technician because I think she's going to have really good use for it. Oh, it smells like toasted almond. Oh, it smells so good. It's really, really good. I like that, but I think I'm going to be giving it to her to use on me when I go to her because I think this is a really good product for her to use. So it smells really good. It's a cuticle oil, and this retails for, let's see, it's from Bang Beauty. No, it is not. It is from CLA, and it retails for $18. So there it is. Okay. Next item we got is from Bang Beauty, and this is a chocolate eyeliner. It is a brown eyeliner. It retails for $22, and it says use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat. Oh my gosh, I can't read. It retails again for $22. Okay, first thing, it comes in this, of course, in this packaging. And it is really nice. The packaging is really nice. It is a metal top, and then, oh, actually, no, this is plastic. And this is, of course, glass. It's nice, the packaging, but this came open. This came like this. So it was very loose when I got it. And when I touched it, it is so dry. It's so dry, like hardly anything is coming off on my finger. It is so dry. I tried using it this morning with an eyeliner brush to do my eyeliner, and it didn't work. As a pomade, this wouldn't work because it's too light for my eyebrows. And then they said as an eyeshadow base, I don't think I would use it as an eyeshadow base. I just feel that it is not creamy. Maybe if you warm it up a little bit, because I warmed it up with my finger right there. I don't think this is a product I will be reaching for. I don't know. As a pomade, I just wouldn't be using it. I think I'm going to donate that because it came open, it's dry. This product, no. Okay, the next thing we got is we got from Wonder Beauty, Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. These I will use. I love eye masks. Really dry under eye, and these let's see what it says. It says baggage claim control eye masks. After a night of partying, who doesn't look good? Who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles, which I totally need. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender cool and soothe your under eye area. Okay, so these I will be using. We got a mascara last month from Wonder Beauty, which I am really enjoying. That mascara is really good. So these are good. These I like. Yay, something I like. Okay, these I really like and I'm going to be using. Okay, the next thing we got was from L'Oreal Los Angeles, like I had said. This is the Party Animal eyeshadow palette. It's very travel friendly. It's small. I like the packaging. It has a magnetic closure. The packaging is really nice. It's very luxurious looking. I like the matte. There's a lot going on in this packaging. The back is kind of psychedelic. I love the colors, the purple and the ombre pink. I like that very much. And then, let me see. And then inside, it has a nice mirror. It has a really nice mirror. This retails for $19. And then you have 6 very bright eyeshadows. I don't think, well, if you use this as a transition shade, maybe. Well, that's very neon yellow. For like a really, really, that could be a cool transition shade if you go light-handed. If you go light-handed, that orange can be a good transition shade, and this one for blending out. Anyways, as a standalone palette, maybe not, maybe yes, depending on what you like to do. These colors are very, very pretty. Let me swatch a few. They feel a little bit dry, not too much. But they are very pigmented. They're very pigmented, but they're not pigmented to the point of I cannot use that because I'm gonna look crazy. I think they are buildable. The pink one and the purple one feel very, very soft. Ooh, that purple one is a little bit powdery. Okay, so there's the purple. The purple looks a little bit patchy. And there is the pink, and that pink is gorgeous. I'm going to insert swatches. That pink is super, super gorgeous. I love that pink. So I think I will be using this palette for the holidays. I think it's nice. This retails for $19. See, this is something that I wouldn't go out and buy on my own, but getting it in the Boxycharm is so, so good. Okay, last item that we got. Let me wipe that off. Okay, last item that we got, I really, really liked. This one I liked. I didn't think I was going to like it because you got a choice of getting different Smashbox lip products, and I wanted to get one in particular. I can't even remember what it was now, but I got this one. This is what is this one? This Smashbox, it says assorted lip products that retail anywhere from $21 to $24. And I got the Crimson Chrome Be Legendary Liquid Metal. I never, ever use metal lipsticks. Never. I mean, I'm too old for metal lipsticks. But when I got this color, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is like crimson, just like the name says. It is red. However, I thought, ooh, I'm not gonna like that. But I did put it on my lips, and it is so pretty. Like, this is a wearable red. This is a wearable red. Yes, it is metallic-y, but it has a sheen. It's not metallic. You know what I mean? So it feels very nice on the lips. I think for the holidays, that is going to be such a pretty lipstick. So out of the whole Boxycharm, I liked the lipstick. I liked the palette. The palette is okay. Maybe not my cup of tea, but I think I can, you know, for a pop of color, it's going to be really nice. And the eye masks. I liked the eye masks. Those are going to be really good for me. The cuticle oil, I think I'm just going to I'm going to pass on to my nail technician. The eyeliner, no. And the lashes are nice, even though I don't use eyelashes that often. So that was my Boxycharm So that was my Boxycharm unboxing for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.